This week we're going to be trying something a little bit different with the module. You remember earlier in the semester we had a traditional module and then we had an additional reading on top of that, and I think a lot of people felt that that was perhaps too much reading for 1 week. So we've decided to do something a little bit different this week and actually set the academic reading as the module itself. One of the things we're trying to do in this unit this semester is to really focus in on the academic reading as a core part of the university experience. But we recognize that this is not a skill that people are familiar with. It's not something that you would have necessarily had to do a lot of in places like school. So what we're doing instead is we're focusing on academic reading as a skill to be learned as part of the university experience. And that's what we're doing this week. So for the final assignment, one of the options you've got is to look at a particular communication theory called communication accommodation theory and use that as a way of adapting communication from one culture to another. So what we're doing this week is we're actually stepping through one of the core readings on communication accommodation theory, and then as we step through it, we're including a number of exercises to make sure that people get the most out of it. So this is something a bit novel for us. We've never done this before, and we'd be really interested to get your feedback on how it works and whether or not you find this a good way of engaging with what is admittedly some quite difficult conceptual material sometimes. So I hope you enjoy it. As I said, I'd be interested to hear what you think of the approach, and if you find it quite useful, then it could be something that we incorporate for later modules as well. So I hope you enjoy. Cheers.